Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salmon kebabs. First, prepare your salmon by cutting about 1.5 pounds into uniform 1.5-inch cubes. This ensures even cooking. Next, soak 8 wooden skewers in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent burning on the grill. Finally, chop your favorite vegetables, such as colorful bell peppers and red onion, into pieces roughly the same size as your salmon. Now, let's create a flavorful marinade for your salmon. In a bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey for a touch of sweetness. Stir in 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a generous amount of fresh dill. This vibrant marinade will infuse your salmon with incredible taste and moisture. It's time to assemble your kebabs. Carefully thread the salmon cubes and vegetable pieces onto the soaked skewers, alternating them for visual appeal and even cooking. Once assembled, preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grill the kebabs for 8 to 10 minutes total, turning them every 2 to 3 minutes until the salmon is cooked through and slightly charred. Your delicious salmon kebabs are ready to enjoy. Serve them hot off the grill with a final squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. A sprinkle of extra fresh dill or parsley makes a beautiful garnish. Remember, salmon is perfectly cooked when it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy this healthy and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.